Attorney General Merrick Garland on Monday announced a pattern or practice investigation into a Louisville Metro Police Department, which has faced intense scrutiny and criticism in the 13 months since officers of the department killed Breonna Taylor inside her own apartment as they served a no-knock warrant. For further discussions, make sure to subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon so you don't miss any video. Garland said at a press conference, "Today the Justice Department is opening a civil investigation into the Louisville, Jefferson County Metro Government and the Louisville Metro Police Department to determine whether LMPD engaged in a pattern or practice of violations of the Constitution or federal law." Garland also said that the investigation will assess whether LMPD engaged in a pattern or practice of using unreasonable force, including with respect to people involved in peaceful expressive activities. It will determine whether LMPD engaged in unconstitutional stop searches and seizures, as well as whether the department unlawfully executes search warrant on private homes. He said it will also assess whether LMPD engages in discriminatory conduct on the basis of race or fails to provide public services that comply with the Americans with Disability Act. Investigation will include comprehensive review of the Louisville Police Department's policies and training. It will also assess the effectiveness of LMPD supervisions of officers and systems of accountability. Garland said that if violations are found, the department will aim to work with the city and police department to arrive at a set of mutually agreeable steps that they can take to correct and prevent unlawful patterns or practices. He said if an agreement cannot be reached, the Justice Department has the authority to bring a civil lawsuit seeking injunctive relief to address the violations. The probe marks the second pattern or practice investigation launched by the Justice Department in recent days. Last week, the Justice Department opened an investigation into the policing practices of the Minneapolis Police Department less than 24 hours after a jury convicted former police officer Derek Chauvin in the death of George Floyd. That investigation will determine whether the police department engaged in a pattern and practice of policing that violates the Constitution or federal civil rights laws. Taylor, 26, an emergency medical technician, was killed after police with a no-knock warrant broke down the door to her apartment seeking evidence in a narcotics investigation. The target of the probe was an ex-boyfriend of Taylor's who lived at a different address. Taylor was with boyfriend Kenneth Walker when the plainclothes officers entered. Walker, who had a license to carry a weapon, called 911, believing the home was being invaded by criminals, and opened fire, wounding one of the officers in the leg. That's when police returned fire and Taylor was killed. So that's it in this video. Please like, comment and share the video. I will see you in the next video. Till then, take care.